Thank you for joining us for a quick overview of AtmosAI CRM. In this demo, you'll get a quick tour of our most important features and how Atmos CRM will help your team increase sales and productivity. First, Atmos helps you increase your selling efficiency. Your agents, internal sales personnel, or reps will prioritize quality leads with ease, improve their reach rate, and automate repetitive tasks. The second way Atmos helps you increase revenue is by slimming down your tech stack. In addition to the latest state-of-the-art CRM, Atmos has built-in two-way email sync, calling, SMS, sales automations, invoicing tools, and many more apps ready to go right out of the box. Third, and one of the major differentiators of the Atmos CRM, is the single panel view of all things CRM we call the Command Center. The Command Center is your central hub for all things CRM. It gives you a single panel view for all features of the CRM, including communications, opportunities, updates, and calendar management. It encompasses all tasks related to your leads or clients. You can easily add invoices, quotes and estimates, and campaigns and landing pages to the Command Center, and can now use the system for both invoicing payments and marketing campaigns. Moving on, the Campaign app provides an easy way to reach potential clients through all marketing channels, including email, SMS, social, and calling campaigns. Broadcast or mass mail and drip campaigns are available with both SMS and email. Campaigns may encourage clients to complete revenue-generating actions, such as visiting your landing page or completing a form, which may be built and hosted with AtmosAI CRM. Atmos also includes reporting tools that don't require a computer science degree to interact with them. As an example, the Opportunity Pipeline View is one of the simplest yet actionable reporting tools that a sales team can use and displays the number and stage of deals in each stage of the sales process. And last, Atmos is incredibly easy to use and is 100% no-code customizable to fit your needs. You'll see value in the first week with fast and free onboarding, easy customization, and high adoption rates. Don't let the complexities of running a business get in the way of your success. Let AtmosAI CRM help you grow.
If you're looking for information on the AtmosAI CRM Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The AtmosAI CRM Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the AtmosAI CRM Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Increase ROI and conversions by following leads to entire customer experience. What is AtmosAI CRM? AtmosAI CRM is a no-code CRM that's totally customizable and built to connect sales, marketing, invoicing, and the customer experience. AtmosAI CRM lets you customize every part of your CRM, so you're not wasting money on features you'll never use. With the Command Center, you'll be able to complete all the CRM tasks associated with leads or clients in one place. Here's where you'll find communications, touchpoints, opportunities, tasks, notes, invoices, and more. This CRM makes it easy for you to generate, send, and request approval for quotes and estimates. Once approved by the customer, this system will automatically convert your quote or estimate into an invoice and send it for payment. You'll be able to get paid with PayPal and Stripe, or you can connect to a custom payment processor. AtmosAI CRM will even create and send late payment reminders or recurring invoices for your team. AtmosAI CRM lets you streamline lead and account management, so you're never letting prospects slip through the cracks. You can use the Kanban board to drag and drop opportunities from the prospecting phase to negotiation until deals are closed. Plus, you'll be able to communicate via Gmail or Outlook, click-to-call, and SMS outreach using the Twilio integration. Best of all, AtmosAI CRM lets you completely customize everything without writing any code. That means you'll be able to add columns, edit labels, and create new columns in your leads page or anywhere in the system. You can also customize the deal stage flow to fit your customer acquisition process, as well as edit status and priority. How do we help your business? Efficiency, conversions, and costs. Increase sales conversions. Our CRM was built to improve your ability to communicate with leads, manage opportunities, and convert to paying customers. Reduce technology costs. Why pay for multiple systems? From CRM to project management, invoicing, and marketing, you can do it all with AtmosAI CRM. Increase time efficiency. We hear it all the time. Salespeople hate using CRMs because they take too much time to use. We built AtmosAI with efficiency in mind. Single source view. AtmosAI CRM Command Center is a central view to manage all communications, tasks, opportunities, notes, touchpoints, and more. Scale as needed. Whether you're a small organization or a larger company, there's a place for you at AtmosAI. We have packages to fit your need and budget. Deploy in minutes. Enjoy our easy-to-use Getting Started app and utilize multiple preset templates and import tools to get your business onboarded in minutes. Comprehensive AtmosAI CRM features. Take your business to the next level with tools relevant to your industry. Lead and client management. Effectively manage and communicate with your leads and customers in one place to ensure you never miss a deal. Monitor a lead from initial intake to the entire customer experience. CRM Command Center. Never leave the page to create leads, manage opportunities, schedule appointments, send invoices, call, email, SMS, make notes and chat among team members. Dashboards and charts. We give you the power of business intelligence with the tools to create dashboards and track progress, timelines, and budgets at a glance. Easily run customizable reports. Power and Predictive Dialer. Power and Predictive Dialing enables your business to be more efficient by quickly routing calls to your company reps, saving time and resources and enabling you to close more deals with less input. Invoices, quotes, and estimates. Why rely on other apps to invoice clients when you can do it from your CRM? It's as simple as a few clicks. You'll quickly find it doesn't take a massive tech stack to run your business. Advanced automations. Boost your business with the best email marketing automations in the industry. Communicate directly with contacts via email, SMS, or chat and never miss the opportunity for a second conversation. Take advantage of AtmosAI CRM's no-code customization to build the perfect fix for tracking and managing your leads pipeline. Why are you late? Improve your chance of success and get lifetime access to AtmosAI CRM today. One-time purchase of $49 only.